In this video, I will guide you on how to set up Hey Google on Android phone. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Google app on your device. Once you have launched it open, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the settings option. Now, when you tap on the settings option, you're going to find a couple of options over here. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your device supports Hey Google because this is not available on all devices. Now you want to locate the option of voice match. Here you should be able to find the Hey Google option, so go ahead and toggle this option on. Now you want to tap on the turn on option over here. Go ahead and tap on that. Then scroll down, go through all of this, then tap on I agree. Now you will have to follow the on-screen prompts. You will have to say aloud these prompts over here. So go ahead and say a couple of sentences to train Google. Once all of that is completed, Hey Google will be successfully enabled on your Android phone. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.